replying to your customers' requests as fast as possible is one of the ways to make them happy campers with the service they get. Quick SMS and WhatsApp messages for Vtiger has now made it possible by preparing text messages in advance and sending them by just a single click through SMS or WhatsApp so that you can boost customers' response speed by having this module. As you can see, here we've sent a message to a contact through WhatsApp. Now let's take a tour to configure the extension. To have your messages sent more conveniently, you'd better prepare frequently used ones in advance. From Menu, Settings, I'll go for CRM Settings, and then Other Settings. Let's choose Quick SMS and WhatsApp messages. This page includes all the prepared messages you've previously created. To add a new one, click on Add New Message. And here you can simply choose a title for your new prepared message, as I have chosen one before. Like this time, I'll go with Test. And then type in something. For example, this is a test message, so that I can have the list here prepared for me to find it more conveniently later on. Well, this icon appears on your CRM right after you had the module installed. Clicking on it, a window opens to you which includes all the related modules you can have text messages through. For example, I've got leads, organizations, contacts, and now this time I'll go with contacts. Now it's time to choose a contact from the list. Mobile phone option lets you browse all the saved phone numbers for your contact. Let's choose one. Then, here you can type in something or even click on one of the messages under the messages box that you've prepared beforehand. As you can see, the text is available here. Now I can click on Send SMS. Now let's try sending messages through WhatsApp. Once again, I click on this icon to have the window shown to me again. Choose a module. So all the steps are like the previous one. I go with a contact. Now I choose a mobile phone, as you see here. And then I can go with a message or a prepared one, simple, and then send WhatsApp message. When WhatsApp window pops up, you can see the message you've chosen here, the text, and if necessary, you can choose an emoji, or if you would like to make a better contact with your audience. Here I choose something simple, and a click here would send my message. As you can see here, I've got my text message with the exact time and date